Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website. It's called Brands Aura. So like usual, before we start, let me give you a short idea about this website. Brands Aura is an online print on demand and fulfillment company that specializes in producing and shipping custom designed merchandise for businesses, artists, and individuals. So to get started with Brands Aura, simply head on over to Brands Aura or brandsaura.com. This is all the results I got after my search on Google. I need the official websites here. Yeah, this one. Let's click on it. So this is the interface like you see with me here. We have some similar websites like Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, Streamline, OpenCart. We called about all these websites before, especially Etsy and WooCommerce, and yeah, even Shopify. You can just come back to the videos and you will find them. So before we will come back to this page later. We need now to create an account. So to create an account, you need just simply to go on login and click on it. So if you are already have an account on this website, you will just put your username and write your password, then login. If this is the first time to you in this website like me, you will just click on here to register. Now we need to enter some informations to create an account or become a member. Let's choose a username. This one is good. And the first name, it's Susan. Then the last name, Brian. And business name. Okay. And your address, first address and the second address. Then you will write and enter the city from here, then the states and the zip code or the postal code, and then the country. And be careful because all this information here should be right and valuable because they will check it out later with the GPS and other methods. And you need to write your phone number to send you a verification email, and then the email, and you need to click on agree to TOS and then subscribe to their newsletter. And then you need to click on that you are not a robot, and you will just click on register. I cannot do that because there's a lot of information that I didn't write, because I just show you how to do that in the information that you need to enter. Okay, now let's come back to the official and the interface to know more about this website over here. So this website here is present to you the products catalog. The Brands Aura provides an extensive catalog of customizable products such as t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, hats, tote bags, phone cases, mugs, and more. And this allows users to choose the item they want to personalize with their design. Okay, we have here different things, and like you see with me here, we have the supports. Brands Aura offers customer support services to artists and buyers, assisting with inquiries, order tracking, and resolving any issue that may arise. So to design something, you need just to click on design tool. Let's click on it. and this is the page that we will print and design the products that we can select it from here. Okay, let's wait until the page uploading. And let me tell you that this website is also presents you the integration and automation. It offers integration with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, allowing seamless order processing and fulfillment. Automated syncing ensures that orders are automatically sent to Brands Aura for production and shipping. So we have the t-shirts here and different colors to choose from here. And yeah, we can select and change the products from here. Like you see with me, we have t-shirts, we have sweatshirts, we have tank top, polos, dresses, on-size, pocket t-shirts, pants, bags. We have different products, and then the brand. We have here the Golden, American Apparel, Rabbit Skins, Anvil, Bella Canvas, Alternative, Hans, Augusta, Jerseys, and others. Okay, let's just stay on this one. Okay, the front of the t-shirts, it's from here to design front of it, and this is the back of the t-shirts. Okay, now we are on the blue color, and if we want to upload an image, we need just to click here and browse it, and then take it and put it over here. Then we can insert text. You need just to write something here, and it will automatically be on the t-shirts. And then the tutorial, you can find it from here. And we have here some other parameter like the window, that means the back of the t-shirts, and then the window and the zoom, then the duplicates and preview. This is how it's gonna be the t-shirts after the designs. And then after all this, you will just pay this generates mockup from clicking over here. Okay, let's wait a moment. The quality printing and the embroidery in this website is utilizes advanced printing techniques and high quality materials to ensure accurate reproduction of design and durability of the finished products. They also offer embroidery services for select items. So this is how it's gonna be, and then you will just download it and start selling it. And here you will find the different products on the site. Like you see with me, t-shirts, sweatshirts, tank top, dresses, on sizes, pocket t-shirts, and more, like I said before. So that's all in our website today. Please, if you understand and like it, subscribe and follow for more. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.